Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of Practical 8, Aneka Cloud Computing Platform. In this video, we'll explore what Aneka is, its architecture, configuration, and how it can be used for distributed computing. What is Aneka? Aneka is a cloud computing software platform developed by Microsoft. Instead of relying on a single machine, it distributes workloads across multiple computers, improving efficiency and speed. Unlike IaaS or PaaS, Aneka focuses on application as a service, supporting models like task-based, thread-based, and MapReduce. It can integrate with private, public, or hybrid clouds such as AWS and Azure. Architecture of Aneka. Aneka has three main layers. Application development and management includes SDKs, management tools, and APIs for building and monitoring applications. Middleware, the container layer, provides application services like MapReduce, foundation services such as storage and billing, and fabric services like provisioning and high availability. The infrastructure layer connects Aneka to desktop grids, clusters, or public clouds. Configuration of Aneka. The setup involves two main steps. Master node configuration. Install Aneka, open the Management Studio, and add a machine with its IP and credentials. Install the container, configure it as a master, and add key services such as scheduling, monitoring, and accounting. Worker node configuration. On another device within the same network, install Aneka again, add it as a machine, and configure it as a worker container. This allows the worker to use resources from the master node. Demonstration of tools. To test resource consumption, we use tools like Mandelbrot, which generates unique fractal patterns, and Convolution, which performs image processing such as edge detection. Both require the master's IP and authentication credentials to connect and run tasks on distributed resources. Billing process. Finally, Aneka provides detailed billing and monitoring features. You can view CPU utilization, resource consumption by workers, and even export reports as CSV files for analysis. Conclusion. This concludes the demonstration of Aneka. We saw how to configure master and worker nodes, run applications across distributed resources, and monitor billing and usage. Aneka makes cloud application execution simple, efficient, and scalable.